What's going on, everybody? Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash, Salisbury, Maryland, just hanging out in the shop right now. We got the air diaphragm system. I'll have to make a video about that soon. But we had one of our big rig was in the shop today, and it was kind of rainy and crappy weather and whatnot. So what we did is took the garage floor, which I know it's still got a lot of stuff in it. You can see all the different pressure washers we're working on there. We got 1, 2, 3 hanging out there right now that need to be fixed. I spent today, me and two of the other guys, cleaning up, getting stuff arranged, getting stuff taken care of, things through the design for our box truck build, which again, you'll see plenty of videos once we get that done. But I feel so much better mentally when I walk into the garage and it's organized than I have in quite a while. Every time I've come in here, I've been kind of like stepping over landmines to get from the door all the way to either just to the stairs or to the rest of the shop back there. It is such a big difference, and I kind of felt like I was drowning with all the other stuff that's been going on, that it really, because I know it can be daunting sometimes. You feel like, yeah, I got a million things to do. I don't have time to clean. I don't have time to get organized. But taking that little bit of time to get cleaned up, get organized, pull one guy from the field, or have a friend come over, have a family member come help you clean up if you got somebody that's good helping you clean up. Taking that time can just produce so much mental productivity and clarity, and just take that stress off. It's been weighing on me for a while. I still have a million things to do, but I feel better about those million things that I have to do, and we'll get more of them done. And then this also, again, like by getting just that hose reel. That hose reel has been sitting in this garage on the floor for probably about a month because the other hose reel was messed up. And now we get that air diaphragm for transferring bleach. We got that whole corner was just an absolute mess. There were shingles there. There was plywood and boards and all kinds of random stuff. So now we've got better access. We can do things more efficiently. And again, this is going to help with building both the box truck and some other units. And also, you can see down here, we've got our multiple bins. We've got 6 bins of parts organized and ready to go, ready to be able to find things a little bit better. We got to label them. But that also is something that's, again, been on my to-do list, been weighing me down mentally, and now that's done. So anyways, have a great day, guys. Get cleaned up, get organized, go make some money and wash on. Have a great day.